Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's my day off today. I've been working a lot lately and haven't been working on the 1086 yet, sorry. But I've been putzing around with a few other things. I kind of want to wait to start on the 1086 till work slows down so I can concentrate more on it. And I got a bunch of other stuff that I've been wanting to get done for a while, and it's just kind of working out this year. So 806 here is hooked up to the auction digger, field cultivator, whatever your preference is. And it had this hitch on when we got it. He was pulling it with a Steiger. I think that has gotten his use out of it. So he was able to find the correct hitch for it. I believe that's the correct hitch. Looks about right. I got that put on there. And he also had a cylinder for it, but he's missing the latch thing that goes on there. See, back when this is kind of towards the end of when they used to pull the cylinders off the implements and keep the cylinder with the tractor. So I'll have to make a piece on there because I can lift it up right now, but if you set it down, that falls off. But that's what I'm up to today, is doing some backhoe work. And it's a continuation of last Sunday. I was doing the same thing, but I didn't do any video. It was really, really windy, and that's part of what led me to this video. It was hot and windy, so I opened up this window, which left a nice pile of sparklies on the gravel. I think it's part of what the deal was. One, the wind took it out of my hands. I shouldn't have been opening it at that time. And two, that piece up there is supposed to be a stop for the window. It was actually turned up, so the window contacted the other window, just shattered. So this is supposed to be a new window for it. I'm always afraid I'm gonna break a window or something with my ring, and I've broke my ring once before, so that's gonna go in my pocket. So that looks like a window. Looks like it's even the correct one. Now you gotta go and take these screws out of here. Seems like the easiest one to start is this one right here, because the other ones, the nuts are so deep into the bracket, it's hard to hold them to get a bite with the screw. It doesn't seem like it quite fits as good as the original. Like, it doesn't look too bad there. Let's see how it springs out when you open the door. And the gap up there, I don't know what the deal is. Aftermarket window. The other one was original yet. Well, I'll go show you what I was working on. You guys that watch my videos all the time might know right away here what looks different. Well, besides that pile of leaves and branches laying there. There's a scene of the incident. Well, here's what I got going on. I took down 2 trees over there. Both of them were rotten. This one right here, I pushed right over. That one was really rotten. That one took a lot of digging. This one's taking a fair amount of digging too. Hey guys. So, the neighbor and I have both wanted these trees down for quite a while because they are like right on the line. I'm sick of picking up branches every time the wind blows and mowing around them and stuff, and he doesn't get any yield on any of his crop along them. So I got kind of too big of a bucket for doing this, but that's all I have. That's what it came with. So got to dig down, break up the big roots and stuff, and then push them over. And I don't really have anything capable of pulling the stumps out, so I've just been digging the hole deeper afterwards and burying them again. Well, I dropped the GoPro many times while making this video, and apparently the last time did it in for the USB port on my GoPro, and it lost the audio connection on the external microphone. And I'm first realizing it when I'm editing this video here, but that's what I'm talking about here is once I get enough roots dug out and stuff, I like to put the backhoe at almost a straight angle against the tree, and then I start pushing with the extended hoe, get the tree rocking, and then eventually tips over. Sometimes it goes a little bit quicker than others. And there you go. Tree's down. Now all I gotta do is dig the hole quite a bit deeper, cut off the stump and drop it in, cover it up. Pretty disappointed about the end of this video, how it ended up without the sound on here, but well, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care and God bless. You wanna run 'em?